Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transcribe an image to text in Google Docs. This is useful for converting scanned notes, screenshots or photos of printed text into editable text. So let me show you how. I'm going to show you two ways. So the first one is by using Google Drive. So we are actually going to upload our image to Google Drive. So you're going to click on New, then File Upload. And here you want to upload your image from your computer. I'm going to select image, click on open. And now once the image is uploaded, what you can do, you can find it. If you don't see it right away, you can refresh the site. It should load image in your drive. You can also search it by the category, photos and images. And then we can click on the image, right click, open with, and then click on Google Docs. And this will open this image, and also it will automatically transcribe it under the image. So this is my image. I can move this wherever I want, or you can remove it by pressing backspace or delete. And this is our text. I'm gonna remove this line, and this is basically the text which was transcribed from the picture. So this is the first way. Now there is actually a second way, even faster, so you don't have to upload your photos to Google Drive, but you can upload them directly into Google Docs, but we need to use extension for this method. So click on extension, add-on, get add-ons, and here you want to search for EMG to Docs, this one, image OCR, and you want to install this extension. And once you have this, you can click on extensions, image to docs, and start. Oh, sorry, you want to start this. Now it should pop up this window on the right side, and we want to basically drag our photos here, and then it will transcribe your text here, and you can insert it in your document. So let's try it. I'm gonna drag my image from the desktop. Done. So this is our text. I can insert it in the document, and here we go. So this is another way how you can transcribe images. You can also use this button to click on this, and you can search through your computer files, and that's it. So those are two ways how you can transcribe image in Google Docs. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.